is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today it's going to be a short video, but I'm going to show you guys how to install iOS 16.1.1. So let's go ahead and get into it. Open up your settings, and then you're going to scroll down to General, and then you're going to select Software Update. And this is where all your software updates will be when you receive a new one and it's time to upgrade your phone. So iOS 16.1.1 is 986.6 megabytes. So it's on the larger side. So it may take about 20 minutes to install. So make sure your phone is plugged up to the charger. But this update includes bug fixes and security updates and is recommended for all users. And if you want to learn more about this update, you just go to that link below, the blue link, and go to applesupport.com and it'll share with you more info. So let's go ahead and select download and install. All right, now you want to enter your passcode. All right, and then after you do that, it's going to go ahead and download the software update, and then it will ask you if you want to install. Your phone has to be at least 50% charged for this to go through. And then once you do it, your phone is going to send you through a bunch of reboots. And then you will get a message that looks exactly like this. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.